Hey, what's up guys? So here I have BCRX, and I just wanted to explain what I'm doing on this. So the psychology on this chart is that, it's getting really overextended. If it was green on the day, it'd be the third green day, and it's not being able to keep up with that right now. The psychology behind this is that there are a lot of shorts, and they're holding until a decent bottom. So when they start buying back their shares, a lot of dip buyers are going to be coming in, and this should be able to bounce. I'm not treating it like a morning panic. Morning panics are just blood red candles all the way down, so I'm not treating it like a morning panic, but I am starting to add into my position right now. And yeah, I guess I'll just pause the video and resume when it starts bouncing. So when I mentioned that I'm not treating this like a morning panic, it's because I wasn't expecting the bounce to be so sudden. I was expecting it to consolidate a bit and start grinding back up again slowly, but apparently it's bouncing pretty nicely right now. So I'll be looking to sell my entire position maybe in the 580s. 590s. I think I'm going to chicken out selling the 580s. My overall position is 553. I added some a little bit above and a little bit below, so yeah, average is 553. I'm up about 20 cents a share right now, and maybe I'll pause the video again until it starts hitting the 580s. I'm going to unload maybe a third of my position right now. Okay, nice. So I unloaded a third of my position at 583. That gave me 30 cents a share on those shares that I sold. So BCRX is now creeping back up to 580s, 590s. On this dip right here, I was actually able to add into my position. So it brought my average back up to 530s, which was the low of the entire day anyway. And now I'm just waiting. I'm debating whether I should just sell it in the 580s or wait till the 590s. I think you can get it up there, but honestly, usually I don't trade this aggressively. Normally I would just, have my regular buy at the bottom and sell my entire position where I did at 583. That would have took the meat of the spike anyway, right? But because I've seen this pattern so many times, I'm so familiar with how the stock moves, I'm not really scared of it. I have my risk management in place. So that's why I was able to unload a third or half of my shares up there. I was able to add in more in the 550s. I'm still waiting for it to kind of go up, which I'm not sure if I'm going to wait it out long enough. But yeah, normally I don't trade this aggressively, but maybe I should start trying. Who knows, right? But it's only because I've seen this pattern so many times that I'm familiar with it. And just because it's having trouble over here, honestly, I think it can break this area. Given my luck, it probably will right after I sell right now. Alright, anyway, I think it's time to get rid of my entire position right here. I don't want to be holding it and miss out. Perfect. So I got filled at 585, and that was me adding in on a dip over here in the 550s. So honestly, I'm happy with this trade. Even if it breaks into the 590s, $6, I'm okay with it. Took the meat of the move right here, and yeah.